All right, so we're looking at his long-standing mid and lower back pain. We haven't seen him in a couple of months, so we're going to check out, see how he's doing, see what we can do to help. So, a little stiff over here. We're doing some soft tissue releases of his neck muscles where I feel some tension in some spots. Good. All right, we'll do a muscle test. I'm going to have your head tilted over here. I'm going to push your head and your shoulder away from one another, so don't let me do that. Ready, go. That's perfect. Let's do it on this side. Ready, go. Do this one again. Pushing here. And now this one. Yeah, that's a little weak on this side, a little bit more give. Okay, so we'll bring you over here. So that's the trapezius muscle we were testing. And the nerve roots for that come right over here, so drop. Good. Head against shoulder, pushing again, don't let me. Better. Okay. Elbows up. Good, I'm going to push down, don't let me. Great. Bring your elbows in to your side. Good. Palms up. I'm going to push your elbows down towards the table. Don't let me do that. Go. Good. Let's try this one. Pushing down. Don't let me go. That's tough. Okay, relax. So it was a little bit weak. It made your whole torso kind of come up. That's your coracobrachialis, which is the C6 nerve root, controls that. Good. So hold it right there. Pushing down. Don't let me. Much better. Like it. Okay, palm facing down, elbow locked. I'm going to pull your arm out here like that. Don't let me do that. Ready, go. Perfect. Bend your elbow. I'm going to pull your elbow out here towards me like that. Don't let me do that. Ready, go. Perfect. Make a fist. I'm going to push down. Don't let me go. Good. Straight arm. I'm pushing down here. Don't let me go. Pretty good. All right. Like that. Put your thumb and pinky together. I'm going to pull them apart. Don't let me do that. Ready? Go. And again. Not so good. Okay? So the lower part of your neck right here. Drop. Drop. Good. Thumb and pinky. Pulling apart. Don't let me. Ready? Go. Better. Palm down. Elbow locked. Pulling out here towards me. Don't let me go. Great. Bend your elbow, pulling your elbow out here towards me. Don't let me do that. Go. Not so strong. Okay, put your left palm in your ear. Good. I'm going to adjust your shoulder girdle and your rib cage here. Relax your elbow here. Good, breathe. Good. All right. Make a fist. I'm pushing down. Don't let me. Good, much stronger. Pushing down here. Don't let me. Great. Cool. I'll test your lower body now.
I aspire not to greatness.
Hips a little stiff in the rotation. Yeah. Okay. Muscle test. Pushing here. Don't let me. Great. Other side. Pushing here. Ready? Go. Great. Pushing down and out. Don't let me. Ready? Go. Okay, good. Down and out. Don't let me go. That's tough on that side, huh? Turn, face this way. So inner thigh muscles are controlled by your L3 nerve root and segment. Turn your head towards me. Good. So we're going to isolate that spot. Good. Lay on your back. And we'll test pushing it here. Don't let me. Much stronger. Pushing down and in. Don't let me. Good. Down and in. Don't let me. Tough in that spot, huh? Turn face this way. So your hip abductors are controlled by your L5 nerve root. Turn your head towards me. Good. Bring it out. Good. Bring it back. Pushing down and in. Don't let me go. Much stronger. Okay, all done.